Hello, dear students. Welcome back your online classes. This is a third maths class, and this is your Egyptian, my dear students. And I hope you all remember, all dear students. Today, what we are going to learn? Today, we are going to learn a chapter number 12 revision. Chapter checkup we are going to learn today. What all my dear students? Today we are going to learn a chapter checkup. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, dear, what I am telling you. So in last lecture, my dear students, we had completed chapter number 12, handling data. But now further again and again we are going to do the revision of chapter number 12, handling a data, and its chapter checkup exercise. Got my points? So one by one we are going to learn all things related to the chapter number 12. What all my dear students? Again and again we are going to learn. So I hope you all remember, my dear all students. Today we are going to learn chapter number 12, handling data. It's chapter checkup. Means we are going to do the revision of chapter number 12. Got my points all, dear, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, dear. So before starting our chapter checkup, let's check today's quote. What, my dear students, we are going to check? We are going to check today's quote, and then we will move on further. So all my dear students, now let's check today's quote, and I am going to be present here today's quote. So what is the today's quote, my dear students? Today's quote is today's quote is what, all my dear students? Believe you can and you are halfway there. Okay, means you passed the halfway of your achievements. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Believe you can and you are halfway there. Got my points, all my dear students? So now we are going to check the chapter checkup. Chapter checkup. Okay, dear all? Chapter number 12, data handling, my dear students. Chapter number 12, data handling. Got my points, all dear students? And in further chapter checkup. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? So you have to note down these both things in your book, dear. Got my points, all dear? Note down these all things in your book, dear. So my dear students, take out your book, sit properly, and keep it with you all stationery. Take out your book, keep it with you all stationery, my dear students, with you pencil, compass box, eraser, sharpener, scale, and put a heading over there, maths, and chapter number 12, handling a data. Chapter number 12, data handling or handling a data. And further, chapter checkup. So note down these instructions in your book, my dear all. And then I am going to start our question number 1 of chapter checkup. So I am going to present here the question number 1, chapter checkup. Okay, what we are going to learn here: vocabulary review, organize information, list, records, pictograph, symbol, title, and bar graph. These all things we had to learn in this chapter number 12, data handling. Got my points, all dear, what I am telling you? Note down these all things in your book, dear all. So note down these things in your book, dear all. organize information, list, record, pictograph, symbol, title and bar graph. Understood? So now this is all things we have learned, my dear students, and put a heading over there. It's question number 1. The list shows the amount for students spent at the school canteen. The list shows the amount for students spent at the school canteen. Fill in the last column and answer the question. The list shows the amount for students. The list shows the amount for students spent at the school canteen. Fill in the last column and answer the question. Again and again I am repeating for you. You have to note down this instruction, dear. So first of all, note down this instruction in your book, my dear all. The list shows the amount of 4 students spent at the school canteen. Fill in the last column and answer the question. Means what we have to fill here? We have to fill in the last column, means this total column. Okay, we have to fill this last column, total column. This row we have to fill. Okay, so now first of all we are going to study this table and then we are going to solve the question answer, all my dear students. So first of all, note down this instruction and table. So now first is which column is over there? First column is name, day. Okay, means name of the students are here. Okay, four name of the students are here. How many students name are here? 4 name of students are here. Then after here is a day. How many days or which days? Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Means 1 week, first 3 days, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we have to do the total, do the addition, my dear all students. Got my point? So first of all, note down the name: Anita, Basil, Chetan and Dilnas. So note down these all things, dear all. I hope you all are students written this name. First of all is name Anita, Basil, Chetan and Dilnas. They all are the 4 students. Here is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And here is what we have to do. Here we have to do the total addition. What we have to do? Here we have to do the total addition. Got my points all, dear? Okay, so note down these all things, dear, in your book. Do fast. Put a heading, put a column over there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then after Anita spent on Monday, he spent 10 rupees on Monday. Again Anita spent 15 rupees on Tuesday. And Anita is no spent 0 rupees spent on Wednesday. So what we have to do the total here? 10 plus 50. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So answer is what? 25. So note down this with me, all my dear all students. I hope you all are understood, dear all. Note down this all things in your book, dear all. And then we are going to check the second students. So dear all students, Basil spent 10 rupees on Monday, and he also spent 25 rupees on Tuesday. So my dear students, Basil spent 10 rupees on Monday, and he also spent 25 rupees on Tuesday, and also he spent 20 rupees on Wednesday. Okay dear all, sorry, 10 rupees also spent on Wednesday. See here, 10 rupees spent on Wednesday, 25 rupees spent on a Tuesday, and 10 rupees spent on a Monday. Got my points, all dear students? 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, 20 plus 20 is equal to 40, and 40 plus 5. How many, my dear all? 45. So Basil spent 45 rupees on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday. Got my points, all dear students? And note down this all things in your book, dear. Okay, note down this both answers. Now Chetan, how many rupees Chetan spent? Is Chetan is spent 15 rupees on Monday. How many rupees? Chetan spent 15 rupees on Monday. Understood? And then after, he also spent 20 rupees. First he spent 15 rupees on Monday, he spent 20 rupees on a Tuesday, and then my dear students, he spent 20 rupees on Wednesday. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to do here the addition. We have to do here the addition. 20 plus 20. How many? 40. 40 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 5, 55. So how many rupees, how much rupees he spent on a Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday? 55 rupees. He spent on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So note down this all things in your book, dear. Do fast. Note down this all things, my dear, all in your book. Do fast. What I am telling you here. And then after last, Dilnas. Then after last is Dilnas, my dear, all. So now Dilnas spent 0 rupees on Monday. Dilnas spent 0 rupees on Monday. And she spent 15 rupees on Tuesday. And also she spent 15 rupees on Wednesday. Got my points, all my dear? What I am telling you? So now we have to do the addition, total. 15 plus 15. How many, my dear, all? 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. 15 plus 15 is equal to how many, my dear, all students? 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. Note down these all things, dear, all in your book. Here is the total of Anita, Basil and Chetan spent Monday. They all are spent money on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Got my points? Now we are going to solve the question answer. What we are going to check, my dear students? We are going to check the question answer. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, note down these all things in your book, dear. So let's check question number 1. Who spent the most? Means who spent the most rupees? A total. We have to, what we have to check? We have to check the total. What we have to check, my dear students? We have to check a total. Got my points all, dear? What I am telling you, we have to check a total. So here is 25, 45, 55, 30, 30. Okay, so 55 is what, my dear? 55 is a large. Means it's the most. Okay, 55. Who spent the 55 rupees on 3 days? Chetan spent a 55 rupees on 3 days. Okay, so now we are going to write the name of Chetan spent the most rupees. Chetan. Note down this answer in your book, dear all. I hope now you have no query related to the handling data. If you have any doubt, if you have any query, so compulsory you have to come on the activity session or doubt session on a Google Meet. And then after, check the second question, question number B. What is the second question, all my dear? So then after, we will going to check the second question, question number B. What is the second question, all dear? Let's check the second question. How much did a Basil spend on Tuesday? How much did a Basil spend? Basil spent on a Tuesday. So let's check the Tuesday's column of Basil's Tuesday's column, 25. How much he spent a 25 rupees on Tuesday? So now we are going to write the answer. Basil spent a 25 rupees on a Tuesday. Got my points, all dear students? Note down the answer in your book, dear. And then we will going to solve the question number 3. C. Then after, we will going to check the third question. How much more did Chetan spend than Dilnas? How much a Chetan spent more did Chetan spend than Dilnas? Dilnas spent a 30 rupees and a Chetan spent 55. Okay, so Chetan spent a more or 25 rupees. How much, my dear students? He spent a 25 rupees or more. Got my points, all students? So now we are going to write he spent more. How much, my dear students? 25 rupees. So note down this answer in your book, dear all. What I am telling you. Note down this all things, my dear, in your book. Do fast. So my dear all students, then after, we are going to solve a pictograph. What we are going to solve? We are going to solve a pictograph. Second question is what, all dear? Second question is, use the given a pictograph to answer the following question. Got my points, all dear? Use the pictograph to answer the following question. Got my points? So note down these instructions in your book, dear. Note down this instruction in your book, dear. And then we are going to solve the pictograph question answer. Favorite color. Okay, so first of all, we are going to check the title of pictograph, favorite color in our class. So title is what? Title is favorite color in our class. Okay, so red color. See, first of all, what we are going to check after a title, dear all? After a title, we are going to check the key. What is the key of pictograph? Key of the pictograph is each smile is equal to stand for three children. Each smile is equal to stand for three children. How many children? Three children. Got my points, all dear? Got my points, my dear? So note down this title and key in your book, dear. Do fast. And now, first of all, how many colors are here? Red color, blue, green, yellow, orange and pink. There are 6 colors. How many colors are there? There are 6 colors, my dear all students. So each key is what? Each smiley is equal to stands for 3 children. Each smiley stands for how many children? Stand for 3 children. So note down this key in your book, dear all. So now we are going to check the how many reds in red colors are favorite in a class. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So 4 3s are 12. How many, my dear students? 4 3s are 12. There are 12 smiley on a red in red colors favorite for 12 students. Got my points, all dear? Note down this 12, my dear students. And then after here a blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are, my dear students, 15. So note down this answer in your book, dear. Do fast. And then after, my dear all students, green. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 smiley. Each smiley is equal to 3. So 4 3s are again 12. 4 3s are 12. So note down this all answer with me, all dear. And then after further a yellow. 1, 2 and 3. 3 3s are how many, my dear students? 9. 3 3s are 9. Note down this all answer in your book, dear all. And then further orange. So 1 3s are 1 smiley. So 1 3s are 3. Note down this whole answer in your book, dear. And then last is pink. Pink for 2 smiley. So 2 3s are 6. Got my points, all my dear students, what I am telling you? Note down this all answer in your book, dear. And now we are going to solve the question answer. Okay, my dear students, so you have to prepare all question answer. Note down this question in your book, and in next lecture we are going to solve this question answer. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, you note down the all things in your book, dear. What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, so my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you all, my dear students. Thank you all of you.